Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the mailbox and grow a garden to Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. When you go to your garden, you will see a mailbox in front of your garden. And when you click on view, there will be like a menu to send something to the other players. For example, I'm going to send something to this player. Okay, and we can send basically props item and also the gear items guys. For example, this trowel and also this I don't know what it is called, but it's like a chair. I don't know, but it's a prop item. You won't be able to send seed here, no. You can only send cosmetic or properties or the gear items from the gear shop. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the mailbox and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.